Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can actually create a redstone repeater. So basically I will be using the 1.19.3 version of Minecraft. If you have any other version, it will still be working for you. So first of all, be ahead and go and join your world. I will be going to my creative world. If you have any other words, it will still work for you. So let's go away and let's make our platform again so you can be able to notice everything. So we will make a platform in here to explain anything and everything on it. So what you have to do first is get some cobblestone and redstone sticks. Let's get sticks from here, and what do we need? Well, a furnace and coal. So what you have to do is get the furnace, burn the cobblestone and make it a normal stone. So after you get normal stone, what you have to do is basically go ahead and have a crafting table, put it in here and make some redstone torches, which you will need about 2, so we only need 2, and then put three stones in here, one redstone torch in here, one here, and middle put a redstone repeater. So I will explain what a redstone repeater does in Minecraft. For example, let's say that we have a torch and we have redstone as well. Let's make something like that. We will put this one here, and as you can see, the redstone really doesn't go that far away. For example, this goes about in here and it ends, so there is no power in here. For example, let's test it using a piston. So if you have a piston in here and we place it, it won't really work, but if we place it in here, it will work. So how you can actually make it work, even like you can make it even longer? Well, that was the repeater help you with. It will help you make the redstone go even longer. So if we put the piston here, it will still work and it still go on, so you can make it go to the infinite. And also you can, with the redstone repeater, you can make an infinite power using something like that. I think something like so, something like so, and by doing it something like that and putting a torch, and I think by breaking and putting redstone, it has to be something, or I forgot totally about it. Wait, this one has to give it, I think, that like that, this one like that, and okay, I forgot totally about it. So somehow I forgot about it, but you can actually make an infinite source of power if you do something like that, or I really forgot about it. But yeah, that's how you can use actually a repeater, by just making your redstone power go even further and further. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.